Hi, my name is Jess, and I'm an electrical apprentice here at Labatt. I work with the licensed electricians that are currently on site to gain experience and to help the operators that are using the equipment to ensure everything is working in the most efficient manner possible. This is how I got started. I moved back to the London area with a Bachelor of Science as my degree. I had previously worked in a laboratory setting, so when I saw that Labatt had a job posting for both a laboratory position as well as a brewing operator position, with both seemed very interesting to me, so I applied to both of those. So with the electrical apprentice, it'll typically take about 5 years with the hours that I need to get in with the on-the-job training, as well as this 4 terms of school that I'll need to complete here locally at Fanshawe College. You might think that attention to detail is one of the most important aspects of my job, but realistically, working collaboratively with my fellow team members, whether that be trades or operators or management, is even more important. I think anyone considering a career as an electrician should look into opportunities in the food and beverage industry. I started here as an operator. I was an operator for 4 years, and it was during that 4 years that I developed an interest in pursuing a career in the trades. Prior to working here, I didn't have any exposure to working in the trades or an interest in pursuing a career in the trades. But while working here, I was able to collaborate with trades members who were on site here, and that's where my interest in pursuing a career as an electrician developed. Job security is very important to me, and I feel like that's important to a lot of people who are looking to either get into a new career or just continue to pursue their career. And I feel like in that food and beverage industry, we know it's not going anywhere and that job security is going to stay.